What's up, everyone? I hope you all had a good weekend and a good start to the week. This is Alex from Stack Trading, and if you may have already seen, Taj just posted a video of the trade of the day for Stack Trading, and that goes to AMD today. We had a great play on AMD. It was a great call. A lot of traders took the trade and made money off of it. And the purpose of my video is actually to go into a little bit more detail on the technical analysis on why it was the trade of the day for us. And I just want to give you that analysis here. So I'm going to look onto the other screen and let's get started. So with AMD, one of the first things that we noticed, obviously today the market was gapping down significantly, especially with the news from Europe that coronavirus cases are spiking. The UK is in talks about shutting down parts of the economy, and so that news and that fear has trickled over to the other side of the pond, and the equities market was gapping down significantly here in pre-market. And AMD was definitely included in that. So it closed on Friday at 74.50. Actually, what number is that? 74.93. And it was gapping down to the $73 area. At the market open, we like to give the first 3 to 5 minutes for a stock and for the market in general to give us direction on where it wants to go. And immediately, as you can see here, we saw AMD popping, right? Key indicators that we like to trade off of in stack trading is the 8 MA and the 20 MA. So right off the bat, let me remove this here. So right off the bat, you could see that AMD skyrocketed and was riding that 8 MA up. So actually around the 74.20 area, when it broke that 200 MA line that you see here that I've got on my chart, one of our traders, Santi, he's one of the co-founders and moderator and educator at Stack Trading. He called to go long AMD at this level, right? So had you gotten in, right, let's just say you got filled anywhere in this area, right, in the 74 range, we started taking profits in target number 1 and also at this Fibonacci retracement, which is 76.84, right? So these were the profit taking areas that we started to call out. And let me give a little bit more reason as to why, right? So when AMD traded above 75.43, that was a Fibonacci retracement, and it was hitting the 76 Fibonacci retracement as well. We started calling to take some profits here or to adjust stops, right? So we started adjusting stops at the 74.90, 74.80 range, which is right down here. So it would have protected a little bit of profit, right? But it would give the stock enough room to run, right? And give enough room for it to wiggle and to do its thing, to pop, to drop, to pop, drops, consolidate as it did right there. And it worked out perfectly. Now, it consolidated a bit, broke out of that bull flag, and kept on running. So our next target was the next Fibonacci retracement, which was 76.84. So at this area, we started to call to take some profits, right? We thought that it had a pretty good run, and we were watching very closely the NASDAQ, the S&P 500, and the overall market in general. And so into today, there was a little bit of weakness. And so especially in the morning got very whippy. So I'm putting up here the chart of the QQQs in the morning. So at around 9:50 to 9:55, we started to see a reversal change in the NASDAQ, right? And you can check that out on the QQQ chart. 9:50 to 9:55, we started to see a reversal, and the market got toppy and sold off. And so that's why around this time, you can see here at 9:50 to 9:55, we started calling, hey, let's start taking some profits because the NASDAQ is turning around and can potentially sell off and AMD would be no different. Guess what? That was a great call for profit taking area because AMD gap filled, essentially rallied up, probably retraced, I'd say about 75% of that rally from the lows here, and it was a great call. It was a great call. So for every 100 shares that you took on this trade, you would have made probably anywhere between $250 and $300 of profit on this trade alone right here. So it was an excellent trade, excellent call made in the live trading room, and this is, we're doing this video just to give a little bit more explanation to the technical analysis that we were seeing, as opposed to just the short 1-minute clips that we put out there on Twitter and Instagram for the trade of the day. Another thing that we can take into account, which is why the profit taking area was, it just validates that call. So it pulled behind this Fibonacci retracement here, and it attempted to rally back over it and got rejected. And then guess what happened shortly after? The AMD crossed below the 20. And we know that in that short-term convergence, it is a short-term sell-off, right, or short-term downtrend. And that's exactly what occurred here until it recovered and the AMD crossed over the 20 again, and then you had a nice bullish action here. So hit us up if you got any questions. You can comment below, you can DM us, and we'd be more than happy to answer anything. And if you're interested in trading with stacktrading.com, hit us up. We're offering a 1-week free pass where you can trade with us for 1 week free, and it just gives you the opportunity to check us out, see if you're comfortable with the community and if you like the style that we've got with trading. And after that, we'd love to have you as a subscribed member and stay with us long term. So thanks, hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.